And the race is on. Karma. Silver glides moving up by the release. Mo. It's now Mo. From the outside is Sole Provider. Silver glides down on the inside. Rising up is On Your Knees. Number 1. Mo by Hapaland, followed by Sole Provider in second. Silver glides. Karma alongside by Darrell. On Your Knees, rising up Monte Napoleone. And nearing the far turn, number about 2 lengths, followed by Sole Provider in second. Monte Napoleone. On Your Knees down on the inside as they raise the last 500. Mo by a length and a half. Monte Napoleone as they raise the final corner. Mo. Monte Napoleone. On Your Knees down on the inside. Monte Napoleone followed by Mo in second. On Your Knees down on the inside. Rushing up is Durango. And nearing the finish line, Monte Napoleone. Mo is on the outside. And finally, Monte Napoleone. Mo, second Maglev. Then comes On Your Knees, 5A Karma, Durango, September Morning, and Silver Glides.
10-1-3.